Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you dry beans craft ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is dry beans flower art. We need dry beans, glue papers and color. Viewers, we need dry beans, glue papers and color. First draw flowers on the paper. Now glue the beans on one by one. Use different beans for different color. Let it dry. Our flower art is ready. It's look beautiful and easy to make things. And viewers, dry beans photo frame, friends, viewers, we are making a photo frame with dry beans. Take a plain photo frame, put glue around the edge, stick the beans in any patterns you like, mix different shapes and color, let the glue dry. Your handmade photo frame is ready. It is perfect for your favorite picture. Dry beans candle holder. We will decorate a candle holder with dry beans. Take a glass jar and some dry beans. Apply glue on the outside of the jar. Stick the beans carefully. Let it dry well. Now your candle holder look natural and beautiful. Great job. And viewers, dry beans name art. So friends, we are making name art with dry beans. Write your name on thick paper. Add glue over the letter. Stick the beans on the glue. Fill every letter. Carefully let it dry. Your name art is ready. It is simple, creative, and fun. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, friends.